How exactly do you deal with a client who's angry on a phone call or video call? Hi guys, my name's Deepak Shukla, founder at the Pearl Lemon Group. We're a business growth and development agency based in the UK, USA, as well as serving clients worldwide. And here today in day number 56, we're here to talk about dealing with angry clients effectively. But before we get into it, if you need any support with your communication, whether it's within your team or with your clients, feel free to reach out to us at the Pearl Lemon Group. And do click the link in the description below to get access to 7 additional strategies which we will not be sharing in this training. So look, fundamentally, you're going to get clients on a call who get pissed. I've had it happen several times, and it's not a pleasant thing when you have somebody who's on the other side of the screen shouting at you. Okay, it's not pleasant at all. At some point in your career, if you're in client relationship management, it is going to happen to you. It is definitely going to happen to you if you're dealing with an angry client, and I've had it happen several times. So in those instances, you're on a call, the client's getting angry, they raise their voice, they shout, maybe they even swear. What do you do? Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is keep calm, okay, which is easier said than done. And to make sure that it is as easy done as said, you want to practice. So keeping calm is not raising, not basically reacting or responding in just in an angry way in response to your client. It's not going to help anything at all. You want to remain calm. Now, I would say that there's a difference between remaining calm when it comes to the anger perspective and showing passion when it comes to the problem solving perspective. Okay, so let's So when I say keep calm, one of the things to consider is to keep calm in regards to anger. So if someone's saying, Deepak, I'm super pissed off right now. You guys are not doing a good job. I don't really understand it. Of course, in those instances, you want to say, Frank, I totally understand. So you want to also practice your listening skills. So practice outside. So you want to practice your listening skills. So when someone's angry, you need to give them time to vent a lot of the time. Okay. Practice your listening skills. Give them time to vent. So giving someone time to vent is going to be definitely something you should consider. So if someone's shouting and they're angry, then you can allow them time to run out of steam. Okay. Definitely can. Where they got angry, they stop being rational, and it's important in those moments to keep calm, practice your listening skills, give them time to vent, and just respond in something of a calming, something of a conciliatory, without being apologetic. I'd say that these would be the important parts here. Responding in something of conciliatory and calm manner, saying and using the "I'm sorry you feel that way" type of language. Okay, I'm sorry you feel that way. That's yeah, I'm sorry it's not working out. Yeah, language of that nature is definitely going to help. Okay, so keeping calm in regards to anger, practicing role play outside of the call itself, so you can practice different scenarios with your team. I think that's going to be definitely one that, especially when a call comes up and you feel that you haven't dealt with it very well, that's definitely going to be helpful to you. Practicing your listening skills in the call itself, so giving someone time to vent, responding in something of a conciliatory and calm manner. I'm sorry you feel that way, Frank. I, I can only apologize for the way that you feel. I'm sorry that you feel in that type of language. I hear what you're saying. I get it. I get it. I get it. Now, if those things don't work, then you can ask them to stop raising their voice if those things that I've just described don't look like they're going to work. And that will be really a little bit of a rarity that someone shouts, they don't calm down, even though you respond in a conciliatory way. You are calm. You say, I'm really sorry you feel like that. I'm sorry, and that type of language, and there's still challenges. That would definitely be unusual. But keeping calm, practicing it inside role play to just control your heart rate, realize that it's not the end of the world. That if a client is angry, then some of the time there might be reasons for them to be angry for sure. So yeah, that's something that you definitely need to navigate. But in in the main, these 6 strategies should get them to a place where there's a little bit more equilibrium on a call. The only other thing to do is, let me just think if there's anything else about dealing with an angry client on a call. These would be the main things really, and I just want to underline them, that listening for a set amount of time, giving them time to vent and just calm themselves down. Clients can calm themselves down, being calm, acting in a conceding fashion. Now, anger is different from blame. If they're attacking you, again, you can really just move to question to number 5, and 1 and 5, 1 and 5, 1 and 5, until they calm down. And then if they don't calm down, you'd ask them for number 6. And those would be the elements I'd say that, broadly speaking, you should employ, because overall this will work. Employ these strategies, and dealing with angry clients on a call will become easier for you. So there you have it, guys. Day or video or training number 56.